Welcome to my channel Immigrate Abroad. I'm Sunil Raj and today I'll be talking about birth certificate for Canada Express entry. In this video, I'll share details on who requires a birth certificate, how to get a birth certificate if you don't have one and you have lost one, how to get a birth certificate if you are outside your home country, and what to do if you can't get a birth certificate. So stay tuned. I'll be posting tons of videos to help you in your Canada immigration process, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications on upcoming videos. All links mentioned in this video will be in the description below for your reference. So who requires a birth certificate? Birth certificates of primary and or secondary applicants, dependent children are required for express entry. Birth certificates should specify the parent's name, which is a way to verify you are a dependent child of a primary and or secondary applicant. If the parent's name on the birth certificate does not match your passport, then you have to create an affidavit to state the reason why it doesn't match and provide additional proof. Birth certificates of primary and secondary applicants is not required for express entry. However, some provincial nomination programs do require applicants to submit a birth certificate. Birth certificates must be either in English or French. If your birth certificate is in another language, then you need to attach an English or French translation from a certified translator along with your birth certificate. Now, how to get a birth certificate? In case you never got a birth certificate or if you lost one, then you need to reach out to your country's birth and death registrar office to see if they can provide a copy of birth certificate or a letter stating why a birth certificate was not issued. If your birth certificate doesn't have your name or is different from the one on your passport, you have to create an affidavit stating the birth certificate is yours and provide sufficient document proof. If you are outside your home country on a study or work visa, then you have to reach out to your country embassy to get a copy of your birth certificate. Follow instructions on your country embassy website to apply for a birth certificate. In most cases, you will have to submit a photocopy of your passport, copy of a valid work or study permit which specifies your reason for being outside your home country, address proof of your current country of residence like a driver's license, utility bill, and other documents. Date of birth documents from your home country, any government issued ID that has your date of birth on it. Getting a birth certificate outside your home country might take up to 4 to 6 weeks, so you should apply before you receive an ITA. So what to do if you can't get a birth certificate? In case you are unable to get a birth certificate, write a letter of explanation stating your reason. Submit alternative documents like a government issued ID, like a passport or a driver's license or a school leaving certificates, university or school transcripts, whichever documents that have your date of birth on it. You should also attach an affidavit stating your reason for submitting alternative documents for a birth certificate. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications on upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.